Konnichiwa. So I was up a little bit earlier today, got 8k out of the town, had to go through a couple of big tunnels. Cyclists weren't allowed, but it had a cycle path barriered off, so it was fine. Bloody noisy. And I had to go up some big ramps to get over like the bypass thing. So at the konbini for first stop, so second breakfast. I wanted to go on a little bit more, but don't know when the next one's going to come. So I'll have second breakfast here. And yeah, the route I've plotted is 570 odd k. So just to see like the next few days, because I think the best route doesn't go through some of the towns, so I just go as far as I can and then consider deviating off as I'm going along, or keep an eye out for accommodation in some of the smaller towns. So of that 572k, the first 200k is pretty hilly. Then it flattens off a bit. It's like quite hot today so far, especially since it's earlier, and a bit of a crosswind, but so it's not this, it's fine really. So I'm going to get breakfast. Since I've been out of town, it's been very scenic and quiet roads, which is good. It's been quite a bit of climbing. It looks like this was the Kasanami Pass. It looks like I'll be going down now. I'm guessing from this picture I'm in a ski resort area. It makes sense with that retired professional snowboarder I met yesterday. But from a distance, I thought that was a time trialist. Oh, just as I said, I'm going down now, it's bloody up more. Bloody Garmin's froze again. It's still responding when you scroll through the screens. Obviously the radar is picking up the traffic. It's just lost the GPS location. Okay, what's that? Not very robust. I prefer Wahoo. Obviously there's some good things about this which I like, but it should recover, but it's taken ages. It looks like this one's got a cycle path, 1.2k. Just had my konbini chicken chips, so we've got coffee and some chocolate. I just booked a hotel, so I've done 80k. I think it's about 65k. Most of the climbing has been done. I think there's about three easy climbs, or 2 easy, 1 moderate. So yeah, it's been alright today. It's good to be back in the hills, a little bit more scenic. That's sort of 3 days going on those straight roads through big cities. It was getting a bit tedious, but yeah, it's good to be back in the hills now. Apparently this area is home of the Oriental White Stork. I have seen quite a lot of storks, just generally, not just here. Going a bit of a strange way. Might see a bear. Uphill. And it is roundabout number 2 as I come out of the woods. Better than traffic lights. Number 3. This one's got a sign for it. Just last bit now, but yeah, that's 27k since I've turned to get to this town. It's just been a headwind, so I'm slog it out. Right, green. flags. So pretty much 9 to 5, same chain as last night, but they wouldn't let me bring my bike in. So £21 last night, £29 this night. Similar sort of room to bring my things in. Lots of room there for a bike. They put it in the office.